Just in 40 days, become business analyst and get job assistance with the BGV support. Please watch till end. Hello everyone, thank you for watching this video. If you are new to my YouTube channel, please do subscribe. And we are starting new batch on business analyst very soon. Please contact if you are planning to enroll. So first of all, who is business analyst? So business analyst is someone who bridges the gap between stakeholders and technical team. So let's imagine stakeholders are someone who will be the having a interest on the application, who is going to use the application. So they will provide what they are actually looking for. So as a BA, you need to document those requirements, what they are expecting. For example, if any stakeholder comes to you that I want a search bar in the application, so they will confirm you. And as a BA, you need to take that requirement and convert into the documentation and give it to the development team, because in the software industry, who is going to develop the software? Obviously the developers. They are going to write the programming languages, and they used to develop the code, they used to develop the software. So this is how the process goes. So you might be thinking, why can't the users directly approaches the IT team or development team for giving the requirement? So there is a communication gap, because dev team will not be able to understand what is exactly the business users are explaining the requirement, and same what technical team is explaining, the business users will not be able to understand. So in order to fulfill the gap, a business analyst will be coming in, the business analyst will come in. So BA will be bridging the gap between stakeholder and business analyst. Okay. And what is the exactly the duration of this course? So the duration of this course is just 40 days. 40 days. So duration of the course is 40 days. Okay. So is it possible to complete all the concepts that are required to become business analyst in just 40 days? Yes. So we are going to have role play sessions with the practical sessions. Entire concepts which I'm going to train is going to be practical. So there will not be any theoretical explanation. Okay. And what exactly the skill set that we are going to train you in this program. So in order to become a business analyst, the essential skills are like you need to be well versed with the requirement gathering. Okay. We are going to train on these as well, requirement gathering and documentation, which includes BRD, FRD, user stories creation, then UML diagrams creation, then UAT testing, then JIRA tool, familiar with the JIRA tool and Confluence, then SQL and markups and prototypes creation, and yeah, these are very, very important for any business analyst who want to become a business analyst. These are very much skill set that are essential. Okay, apart from this, there are other skill set as well, but I'm not going to list out here. But the primary skills for becoming a business analyst is the one which I was mentioned. So we are going to train. These sessions are not going to be totally theoretical, guys. It's going to be practical. So when it comes to the requirement gathering, we will consider a project and we will have a role play session. So we will consider dev team, QA team, and product owner, manager, dev business analyst. So we'll scrum master, we'll have a role play and we'll gather a requirements. Okay, I will make my enrollers, whoever is joining in this program, I will make them do the role play sessions so that it will be more easy to understand how exactly in the work environment business analyst does. Okay, similarly, documentation, diagrams, testing, Jira tool, SQL, mockups and create more prototypes and rest of the other concepts also we are going to have practical sessions. Okay, and yeah, and what is it? I mean, what are the benefits we are going to provide you for the enrollers? What are the benefits that we are going to provide to the enrollers? So the first benefit is after completion of your program, within 40 days only, we will help you in building a CV. Okay, building CV. Okay, and apart from that, we will also help you with the mock interviews. I already uploaded few of the mock interviews in my YouTube channel. You can also check that mock interviews, which will beneficial in case if you are planning to provide the interview, and we plan to give the interview. We will also have a mock interview, and also we will be providing you the job assistance. Okay, so job assistance where we will be providing you in bringing up the referrals from the companies. Okay, referrals from the companies. So we will directly share the referrals, those who are enrolling to my program. So you can apply and give the interview, and also you might get the interview guidance as well. Like what kind of questions will be asked for a business analyst, if it is fresher or experience point of view, what kind of questions, gunshot questions will be asked. I'm going to support you in explaining those. Okay, and more importantly, we will also going to consider in considering in this program a domain knowledge. We're also going to help you in developing domain knowledge. So the popular domains for a business analyst is healthcare and banking. So you can prefer any one of the domain in case if you are planning to enroll. I will be training you on that with the skill set of a business analyst. Okay. So and also you'll get the job guidance, sorry, BGV guidance. So what is this BGV guidance? Most of you were maybe confusing what is BGV guidance. So in case if you are looking for any kind of any support from us in order to clear the BGV, we will be assisting you in that as well. So for to know more details about that, I recommend you to contact me so that you can have a discussion and you'll get a clarity. So many of them were who was enrolled for a business analyst who took the BGV guidance and job assistance were successfully working in the companies. So recently, two of the ladies were cracked the business analyst interview with an LP of 8 and 11. So they were come from non-IT sector and they were transitioned into the IT sector as a BA. So all it was possible after getting a support mentorship from me. So if you also want to get the same mentorship and the support, you must enroll to my program. So I'm also dropping my website link in the description, and also you can contact me. So we're starting new batch on business analyst. Thank you and have a great day.